We're in Houston, Texas, in the Industrial Design Department at the University of Houston, where we've just hosted the 10th year of the Wilsonart Challenges Student Chair Competition. The chair competition is a semester-long class that challenges students to design a show-stopping, eye-popping chair using Wilsonart Laminate. Here, they're entrusted with the mission of designing a chair that literally will make somebody stop and look twice if they're flipping through a magazine, or stop dead in the aisle at a trade show and say to themselves, "What is that?" The winner of this competition is given a scholarship, but more than that, their chair is brought to New York City and is unveiled at the International Contemporary Furniture Fair. The International Contemporary Furniture Fair is known as one of the finest design shows in the United States. This is not a typical competition whereby a corporation just puts out a challenge or a call for entries from the student population. This is really more of a sponsored class where Wilsonart partners with the university to really develop a curriculum for the students that get a very high level of design executed in a very short period of time. Wilsonart is highly supportive of the students and very attentive to their needs as young designers and young builders. They send technical representatives from the company to help the students problem shoot fabrication and lots of material. Each year we go through a meticulous process of deciding which school gets the next competition. This year we selected the University of Houston for a couple reasons. One is because of the exceptional work of Professor Jeff Fang. Another is because we thought for the 10th year of the program it would be nice to bring the program back to Wilsonart's home state of Texas. In addition, we also had the advantage of bringing the students from Houston to Temple on a special field trip where they were able to tour the plant facilities and, most special of all to me, tour the Wilson House.
I keep telling myself this is a lifetime experience for this class because of the involvements from all aspects of design in this program.
Part of the reason why you're here is not only to be inspired by the house, but we've got some real work to do about bringing a piece of this experience to New York.
From the beginning, they have to learn the culture of the company. They have to learn the specific functionality of laminates, and then they have to try their best to build the chair on their own. So I think it's a lifetime experience to them.
During the midterm critique, students' half-scale models were evaluated for their design concepts. That was also a very special time to really explore what was important to the students. Because these objects, these chairs, are not just some general kind of concept for mass production. Each and every single chair is a unique statement by each student. Therefore, the chair itself has to reflect a bit of the individual personality of that student. And we find they've been very successful at doing so. In the course of hosting this competition over 10 years, what we've discovered is that schools that require their students to actually build objects, produce the finest design students. We've now made building a requirement in this program, where every student is required to build their own chair. This year at the University of Houston, the jury selection process was the most difficult ever. The jury debated for almost 2 hours. Finally, a winner was chosen, and then we had to go out and announce it to the students, which is the moment of the entire semester that I dread the most. Having to pick one student and their work above all the others is really a heartbreaking process. But we did it, and 1 winner and 5 runners-up will be coming to New York. And the winner of year 10 of the Wilsonart Student Chair Competition is Infinite. This year, the winning chair is the Infinity Chair by Jenny Trieu. The chair was selected because of all the chairs in the competition, including many beautiful and interesting and really unique forms. Jenny's chair showed the best use of laminate. Even the representatives from Wilsonart were surprised at how elegantly she used wood grain. She made wood grain appear not like an imitation of a natural material, but a desirable, unique design element that actually added to the overall design of the chair.
I always thought laminate was used for countertops or tabletops or something flat, has flat surface. I never thought using it for a chair or anything with curves to it. Well, throughout time working with the laminate, like testing it out, testing how much it could bend with like a heat gun, I started working with it, and actually now this is like the second chair I built, so it's actually easier as you continue with it.
I'm very proud of this class because the final outcome is one of the best in this competition, and the reviews has been fantastic from the jurors and also from the college professors. So this is truly a big accomplishment for this class. I'm very proud of them.
And what does the future hold? Year 11. Everybody's asking, what will the next school be? And we are pleased to announce that the next school will be Appalachia State University in Boone, North Carolina.